Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to discuss divisibility rules by 17 and 19. First of all, we concentrate on divisibility rules by 17. Take an example 779042. 2 is the unit place value and this one is the remaining part of the number. So this number 77904 minus 5 times of 2. You subtract 5 times of the unit place values. We get 77894. In next step, you again select 4 as unit place values and this one is the remaining part 7789 minus 4 times of 5. You get this one is 20, 7789 minus of 20 is 7769. In next step, 9 is the unit place values multiplied by 5 and this one is the remaining part of the number 776. You subtract it, find 731. In next step, 1 is the unit place values multiplied by 5 and 73 is the remaining part. You subtract it and get 68. This 68 is divisible by 17. It means this big number is also be divisible by 17. Another method, oscillator method. 12 is the oscillator. Then you select unit place value and multiply by 12. 397 and 12 times of unit place value we get 493. 3 is the unit place value and 49 is the remaining part of the number. This 49, 3 into 12 plus 49 is 85. This 85 is divisible by 17. It means this number is also be divisible by 17. We can practice it with the help of oscillator 5 also. Now see 397 minus 8 times of 5 is equal to this one is 40. You subtract it 357. Now in next this one is 35 minus 7 times of 5. This one is 0. 0 is divisible by 17. It means this number is also be divisible by 17. Means you can use oscillator 5 as negative and oscillator 12 as positive. After that, to check the divisibility rules by 19. The oscillator for 19 is 2. Then you select unit place value as 9 and this part is remaining part of the number 28767 plus 2 times of 9 means 18. You plus 18 here, we get 28785. In next step, 5 into 2 10, unit place value multiply by 2, this one is 10 and remaining part 2878, you add it, you get 288. Then again 8 is the unit place value, multiply by 2 and remaining part 288, add it 304. In this number 4 is the unit place value 30 and 2 times of the 4 38. 38 is divisible by 19 also. So this number is also be divisible by 19. Now check one more example. Number is divisible by 19. Is this number is divisible by 19 or not? 6 is the unit place value and remaining part of that number is this 2 times of 6. Get this one is 12. You add here 10127. In next step 1012 plus 2 times of 7. This one is 14. 14 and added here 1026. In next step 102 plus 2 times of 6 is equal to, this one is 12. 12 102 114. In next step 11 plus 2 times of 8, 2 times of 4 is equal to 8. 11 plus 8 is 19, and this 19 is divisible by 19. It means this number is also be divisible by 19. Let us enjoy the divisibility rule by 19, and for more queries you can give me comments. If any need improvement, then I will proceed more and more videos for you. Thank you.